Okay, so now we have the product detail templates working. So now when we click on this product, we should be able to see the single product, right? Single product page. So for example, in this case it should be great t-shirt. So when we say great t-shirt, I believe this is the slug of this product. So then we should be able to see this t-shirt here. Okay, all the remaining data in this page. So that's why what we need to do is we already have the product detail view set up here. So let's first make a try block. Here what we'll do is, let's say single underscore product, that is equal to go to the product model and objects dot get. So here what we need to do is we first need to get the category of this product. Okay, so let me show you this. We have a model here. So this is the category. Okay, we need to get access to this category, and by this category we need to access the slug of this category. Where is the slug now? Slug is here in the we have the category here and we have the slug here, right? So we need to get access to this slug by category. So that's why we write here category underscore slug. Okay, so this is the syntax. Underscore is the syntax to get access to the slug of that model. Okay, so and we'll match it to the category slug that we are coming getting from the URL, and then slug equal to this product slug. Okay, paste it here. All right, so now we have the category, the single product. Okay, and then let's make a exception as E, then raise the exception here. Okay, so that's all. And since we have the single product here, let's make a context dictionary and pass it to the template. Okay, so like this, and copy this context and comma paste. So now we have the single product inside the product detail.html. Now let's go to the product detail.html and see if the product is coming or not. Let's first try for this title. Okay, double square bracket and single product dot the product underscore name. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so here now let's refresh. Oh, something is wrong. I think exception as E. Wait, what is wrong here? Oh, sorry, we should put the colon. Now this should be working. All right, as you can see, we have the product name here, right? This is the dynamic one, and if I change to the another slug, let me get another slug. Okay, so here this is the slug we have for the shoes, and shoes slash this one, and okay, so we have the title working fine. So the same way, let's bring all these all these data, go to the product detail.html here, and remove this static value and say single product dot price, and this description also single product dot description, and this is the image, single product dot images dot url, 1 2 3. Okay, so I think that's it. And this choose color and select size, this is the variation of the product. We have a separate video for that variation thing. Okay, so let's just keep this aside for now. Let me just refresh it now. Okay, so the shoes image is coming, and the title, price, and the description is also coming. Okay, so I think that's it for now. We will take care of this choose color and select size in the future lectures. Okay, thank you.